Hey, what's good YouTube world? Prash here, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the Sony ZVE-10. Now this is Sony's entry-level APS-C camera, and the reason I'm super excited to have gotten my hands on this camera is that because while it is commonly referred to as just a vlogging camera, I feel that this camera has the potential to be so much more than just a vlogging camera, and I think that with the right build, it could completely transform this camera into a very versatile tool for all types of content creation. And that is actually my aim with this series, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. And as you can see right off the box, you can see I've picked up the Sony ZVE-10 in black with the black kit lens, which is the 16 to 50mm lens. All right, so let's open this up. Now there's just a little tab here that we just gotta pull. And right off the bat, the first thing you'll see is a manual for the 16 to 50mm kit lens, and it tells you all about that in a bunch of different languages and all that other good stuff. We'll set that aside. I gotta admit, the box itself has a lot of writing, a lot of notes and warnings, and honestly, no one really cares about that. So let's just move past that and get straight to the good stuff. Now on the right, you have your charging brick and cables, and on the left, you got your camera itself. So let's take a look at that first. And there you have it, the Sony ZVE-10 in black with the 16 to 50mm kit lens. Alright, so I've taken out all the accessories straight out the box, and the first things you'll notice is that you get a windshield for the internal mic that's actually built into the camera, which is very nice. The charging brick and the charging cable, which is actually a USB A to C cable, as well as a nice little Sony strap, which I probably won't use, and the battery itself. Now, I will admit that these batteries aren't the best, and they do have a reputation for not really being able to last that long. So if you are looking to pick up this camera, I would highly recommend you pick up a few spare batteries as well. It'll definitely help you when you're out and about shooting stuff. Alright, now going back to the camera itself, I will say this, that it is actually a very compact and light camera. I do wish that the grip was a little bit bigger. I don't have the biggest hands, but even I kind of struggle to hold it properly with just one hand. So yeah, if only this little grip here was a little bit bigger, I think it would definitely help with the ergonomics of this camera itself. But I'm sure there is an easy workaround for this, and I'm sure you'll see that in one of my future videos, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, all in all, I gotta say this camera actually feels pretty light. I mean, this battery doesn't weigh that much either, so yeah, it's not gonna add to the overall weight that much. And yeah, this has been it for my first impressions and unboxing of the Sony ZVE-10. I gotta say, I'm really looking forward to testing out this camera and honestly just trying to max out its capabilities, because I really do believe that with a good build, this can become a very versatile tool for all types of content creation. And I think that's the experiment that sort of fueled this purchase. And I just wanted to see what I could achieve with an entry-level APS-C camera, because honestly, it's less about the camera and the lens these days and more about the person that's actually behind the camera and what they actually aim to achieve. So yeah, this has been it for the unboxing. This is what you can expect with the purchase of the ZVE-10. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for my future videos regarding the ZVE-10. Looks like we're out of time, so I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.